you don't want stress, but you still want to enjoy delicious meal, make this delicious meal I've brought for you today, and you will thank me later. This is super stress-free, tastes super delicious, perfect for lunch or dinner. Don't let me talk much. Let's get it started. In the glass bowl or glass tray, as you call it, that is what I'll be using. I'm going to pour water into it, and into that very water, I'll be adding pepper mix. This pepper mix contains onions, paprika, tomatoes, habanero pepper, a bit of pepper, and I will be adding vegetable oil into it. Feel free to use olive oil, no wahala. Into it, I'll add butter. After that, I'm just going to add this my homemade meat stock. This meat stock is optional. If you have meat stock, you will love it, but I always have some ready in my freezer always. I added some into it, and into it I'm going to add seasoning, more pepper, chili pepper flakes I have there. I'll be adding curry and thyme. That's what I want to add into it now. After that, I'll add salt, and I'm also going to add some tomato paste into it. We call this tomato ala golotin tomato. It will give it yummy color. Okay, if we always add it to jollof rice, and it doesn't matter if you don't have it, but add your pepper mix. Okay, so I gave it a gentle mix. The meat stock is still frozen, no problem. So that is my well washed rice. I've just added into it now. I've washed my rice and I added it now into the mixture. I'll use this opportunity to say thank you so much to all you, my subscribers, my returning subscribers. Thank you so much to all you, my followers. Thank you so much for your support. Thanks for sharing my videos. Newcomers, you are also welcome. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe, follow, join us here, and you'll be glad you did. So into it now, I'm going to add sliced tomatoes and sliced onions. When I'm through with the placing of tomatoes and onions on top of it, I'm going to cover it, and it will be placed in oven 200 centigrade, and it will be baked for around 40 to 50 minutes. It depends on the rice you are using. Please cover it well, and I also covered it with aluminum foil. And after 40 minutes, lovelies, this is what I have. Like I said, it depends on the rice you're using. It may take a little bit longer, maybe 5 to 10 minutes later. You can see what we have. Camera is not doing justice, but you see what we want to eat. This is super stress-free. Try it and you will love it. Thanks for watching.